Yo, what's up, guys? In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get pollinated plants fast in Grower Garden. So, there's a brand new update, and now you need pollinated plants to hand them in over here and unlock new stuff. Here's how it works. Every hour, this hive right here spawns bees, and those bees fly over to your garden and pollinate your plants. As you can see, that bee just flew from the hive to my garden and made one of my plants pollinated. Now check this out. That giant glowing fruit over there? That's a pollinated coconut, and it's even rainbow. I didn't really mean to pick that one, but hey, it's for the video. Now once you get a pollinated plant, you have two options. Keep it. Compress it into honey by handing it into this guy right here, so I handed in the coconut, and boom, it's now compressing. It'll take about 3 minutes. Also, fun fact, pollinated fruit gives a 3x multiplier, so unless you're really attached to the fruit, it's usually worth handing it in. Oh, just got another pollinated mango. Let's grab that real quick. Now I've got 2 pollinated fruits ready to go. Alright, the compression just finished, and I can go ahead and claim 10 honey from it. Super easy. It all depends on how heavy your fruit is. For example, this one's 15 kilos, so it fills up even faster. Now with that 10 honey, I can go trade, and eventually buy more cool stuff. And that's pretty much it for this video. Oh, a black hole just spawned, so I gotta run. Don't forget to subscribe so I can get early access to the test server and make even better content for you guys. Catch you in the next one. Peace out.